Hi, my name is Mike Potter and I'm in Adelaide. Before a friend introduced me to EnviroTemp, my air conditioner was struggling. When I turned it on, it would take a while to actually start to deliver results. It seemed to be cycling a lot. I found my power bills were creeping up, and it was the power bills that really led me to talking to a mate that was managed a very large air conditioning company in Adelaide, and he said, "Look, have you thought about putting EnviroTemp on your air conditioner?" And I asked what was it. He said it would be a big help because most air conditioners tend to lose about 30% of efficiency in the first few years. And he's mate. And I took his word on it, but I wanted to do a little bit of due diligence. So I asked around a little bit. Asked a couple of other people I knew that were in fitted and installed air conditioners. They'd never heard of it, but they just said, "Oh, look, it sounds like rubbish to them," and wah. But thank goodness I actually didn't take their uneducated opinions, and I looked a little bit further into it. As I say, this mate, they sold quite a bit of EnviroTemp to their clients, and so I thought, well, look, let's give it a shot. What I found was that my power bills definitely did decrease, that was for sure. I found that my air conditioner did work better than it had previously. It just seemed to get a new lease of life. Now my air conditioner it was a big house, and it took quite a while to heat or cool generally, and I just assumed that was because of the size of the house and the air conditioners were getting on a little bit in age. But thank goodness I didn't go and spend the extra money and replace the air conditioners and the reverse cycle air conditioners, because gosh, it just made a heck of a lot of difference for me, and value for money wise too, was my power bills decreasing as they did. It really made it a worthwhile investment. So look, if you're sort of sitting on the fence like I was, I'd really suggest getting EnviroTemp. It really is a great product and be great for us.